Many of South Korean people are calling us Filipino as monkeys to insult our physical looks. Well, I want you to know this. Here in the Philippines, it doesn't matter if you are not good looking. If your face is really bad, we can still be fit in the society and we can still be embraced by the society. We can still have a very happy life, having a good friends, finding a good job, and a peaceful environment. Unlike there in South Korea, if you are not good looking, if your face is really bad, you cannot be fit in the society. You will be feel out of place in their environment because of their beauty standards. And that's why most South Korean people needs to undergo plastic surgery to be fit in their society, to enter in the look standards. And if they cannot afford it, some of them will go depressed. And some of them will end up taking their own lives. Is that the reason why you calling us Filipinos monkeys? Physical looks doesn't matter, but having a happy life matters the most.